Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight's video might be on the short side. Got a lot of work outside today and kind of drained me, but I think we'll sand a little bit more over the arch and maybe drill out those trim clips, get those taken off. And there's some stuff we can take off on the kick panel too that need to come off before we take that off. So we'll kind of do a little bit of everything tonight, hopefully, and get it moving further along. I'm wanting to take this off and take my door strap off here, because those need to come off before we put on the new kick panel. And we'll go ahead and take these out, because I'm going to sand this whole thing again. But I'm wanting to get above the wheel arch tonight, and maybe some of the bed rail sanded down. And that might be it for me. I don't know yet. And there's a Healy for my new subscribers. We'll be digging into this maybe after we get this done. But I also got a couple other trucks and a Camaro too, so we'll see what's next. But I want to get the Bronco done first. All right, let's get to knocking those off. Found it easier just to drill the top of the rivet off, and just use the hammer and chisel to knock the head of it off. You probably saw a piece of shot out at me and shot in the bed. A few of them did, or a couple of them did stick in there, but you just turn your chisel to the point and knock those out. I'm not gonna worry about this one tonight, because I gotta get back here and get the nut off. I don't think I'll make it down here tonight. So I wanted to, like I said, do this and start up there and start sanding that down. Doesn't look too bad. Look a lot better with the coat of primer on it. I think I'm gonna work on this area up through here a little bit. Just trying to get back down the middle, so you can probably see that line in there. That's where the trim was, so I'm gonna take this all the way down. Starting to like this bare metal look, but my little sander's leaking water again, so I think we'll call it a night on that, and we'll turn our attention to the couple of things over here that we need to take off.
I'll start with this strap holder. These are the 7/16.
I don't know if you can tell, but the bolts right there, or where they bolted into, is bent. Well, they bolt in like that, so you can kind of see how much they've been out. So that's one of the excuse me, one of the other reasons I'm going to replace this kick panel. Let's get those straight. Now, I was thinking of trying to reuse these, putting them in my blasting cabinet, but I'm not sure if I can reuse them or not, since the strap's stitched to it. I don't think I can get it through the loop. May just be better to get new ones, but I'll keep my parts over there just in case. So we're gonna take this off. It screws in from behind here with Phillips head screws. We'll also clean this up and see if it's still usable or not. I don't see why it wouldn't be, but you never know. And we'll clean this foam away. Because that's no good. Have to get that when we go to weather stripping. Pretty good. And like I said, I'll bag these screws up and put this and this over with my Bronco parts. Sure, right along there. I think that'll do it for me tonight. Kind of a long weekend, and I gotta get up and go to work in the morning, so at least we got some things taken care of. I really want to get that door, the A-pillar off, and dry fit the new one up to make sure that it's not made to be that uneven. And if it is, then we'll use it like it is. But if it's not, then we'll take it apart and do the front part and then tack the back part on it. But anywho, thanks for watching, and thank you to my new subscribers. And please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And if you know anybody else that likes Broncos, you know, share a video or something so they can get a laugh out of it. But yeah, we're keeping on moving. One day we'll have it together. Anyways, thanks again, and I'll see you on the next.